Introducing the 2022 Cupra Leon E-hy 1.4e-h with a powerful 245 horsepower engine and all the features you could ever want. From Bluetooth phone connectivity to safety systems like collision avoidance braking and lane departure warning, this car has it all. With a stunning blue exterior and luxurious interior, you'll be driving in style and comfort. Plus, with a full multi-point health and safety check, comprehensive warranty, and servicing to manufacturer specification, you can have peace of mind knowing you're getting a top-quality vehicle. Don't miss out on this opportunity. Call us or visit spiritmotorgroup.ie for more information now.